Hey guys, well, we wanted to do this together, but currently Lysol, as you can see, is on trail right now. But we we ended up this came up pretty quick for us. We just hit 500 subscribers, so that was a pretty monumental piece to really what we started as doing, these videos for fun. It turned into something pretty big. So we really appreciate everything that you guys have done support-wise, commenting, subscribing, all that kind of stuff. This is not a means for anything but fun for us to do. So we really appreciate it. We thought, and I'll let you kind of go through this with everybody about we wanted to do something a little bit special and wanted to kind of give back to you guys a little bit in the small way that we could. But I'll let Lysol, who is currently at the Red River Gorge right now on trail through Skype, go through how we're going to do that.
All right, can you hear me all right?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
All right. Yeah, very good. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much. We certainly appreciate the support, and like Rev was saying, the subscribers, thank you guys. You you make this a lot of fun. So best way we thought we could show our appreciation was to do a giveaway. So we are coming up 500 subscribers. Like he was saying, this happened very quickly, and we weren't quite ready for it. But what we want to do for the giveaway is basically let you know how to enter to win. So we're going to post another video, and on our very next video, you just need to be subscribed, like the video, and put some kind of comment. Let us know what you think about the video, anything, any kind of feedback, just to get your name out there. And then we're going to take all of the entries, and we'll do a third video shortly after that for to announce a winner. So I think what we'll do is probably just let the thing run for like a week. We'll do 7 days. So when the next video posts, from when that posts, 7 days to enter. Like I said, subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment, and you'll be good to go. And we'll draw a winner after that. And we'll definitely, we've got some good stuff that we're going to put together. It's not just going to be a single thing that we're giving away. We're going to put together a number of things that we enjoy, a number of things that we use on a kind of every trip basis. So hopefully it's stuff that you guys will appreciate. I think we'll be really excited about it. So yeah, you still there, Rev?
Yeah, I'm here. I was going to say we wanted to make it something that was pretty special to us too. So some of the stuff that we're gonna kind of put into the bag here is going to be some of the stuff that we use, some of the stuff that we really enjoy using. It's something that just kind of a thank you, but also some stuff that we picked up along the way. So I think it'll be interesting. Like you said, just make sure you're subscribed at least, so I can get some contact info to you. We can get in contact with you, how to send it to you, that sort of thing. But we'll have some more information for the next video on it that'll have your chance to enter it. So I guess we wanted to kind of do this quick, but you weren't here with me, so we ended up finding a good signal out there and kind of got this together. So. But yeah, we'll look for that next video, the next one we post, right? Is that what we're going to do?
Yeah, the very next video we post, that'll be the one that you want to enter the kind of the giveaway on. So yeah, we'll have that coming up shortly after this video posts. So look out for it.
Cool. Well, thank you everybody for the support. Once again, we appreciate it very much. Thanks for the feedback and kind of supporting us through this channel that we've started here, and we will post something up here pretty quickly, probably this weekend, I would say, around that time. And that's just, like I said, have some subscription that we can contact you and a comment and a like, and we'll send something your way. We appreciate it.
Very good. Thank you.